Hi everyone, Letty here. Today I have the Not Too Shabby Shop August Releases Hop and Giveaway video. I'm going to be making some easy scene cards today. Welcome back everyone. So I'm on the design team for the Not Too Shabby Shop for this term. Here's their logo. I'll list a website affiliate link down in the description box below. Today I'm working with the box of the month for August. It comes with 2 paper pads, 2 packs of ephemera, and then 3 stamp sets. And then Jamie does throw in some freebies. We have a lollipop and some enamel dots here as well. So that is the box of the month. Let's do a quick unboxing. Let's start with this first paper pad. It's Outdoor Adventures. This is 6x6. You get 12 designs, double-sided. It's 24 total sheets. Here are the patterns. That's the front and the back of each of the papers. You can see here, again, there's 12 total different designs. Really fun colors. Look at this, the cameras, really like natural type colors. Really, really cute. You got some faux glitter there as well, some florals. So again, that was the Outdoor Adventures, 24 pages of 6x6. That's our first paper pack. And then it does have a coordinating ephemera pack called Let's Go Camping that will coordinate with that paper pack as well. So again, Let's Go Camping. It's really pretty images. Let me do a still shot of what comes in that pack, which is this one. You've got some trees and some boots and little equipment for hiking and some girls. Really, really fun images. So that's what comes in that pack. Then we have Let's Have S'mores. That's the second paper pad that comes with this kit. It's 6x6, 24 total sheets, 12 designs. Here are those 12 designs. That's the front and the back of each of the papers that come in this pack. So they are loose. They're not stuck together or anything. All of the sheets are totally separate. So you'll be able to start crafting with these awesome designs. These are some s'more images. So fun. So that's Let's Have S'mores. Again, 24 total sheets of 6x6 paper. Then, of course, that one also has a coordinating ephemera pack called S'mores Please. This one is really cute. So again, S'mores Please. Let me show you a still shot of all those super cute images that come in that pack. So you've got some fireplaces and some graham crackers and chocolate and marshmallows and sticks and just a ton of s'more related items. We have 3 stamp sets that also come in this kit. Wanderlust Adventures is the first one. These are like 4x6 stamp sets. So super cute. Super pretty images. You've got some really fun images there. Outdoorsy. It's called Wanderlust Adventures. And then Adventure Awaits. And this is really fun too. This is camping. You got a little RV, you got some camping gear, a fireplace, some great sentiments. Really fun. This is going to create some really cute cards as well. And then the third stamp set is called Happy Camper. And this one is such a fun one and it really coordinates well with that s'mores ephemera and paper pad. So this is really cute. So again, Happy Camper there. So those are our 3 stamp sets. Then again, Jamie threw in some freebies. You've got some enamel dots and a lollipop. So again, that's the box of the month for the month of August. I do have a website affiliate link. I'll link that down below. And let's go ahead and dive into today's project. So far with the August box of the month, I was able to make some easy square cards in a previous video. I'll link that at the very end of this video, just in case you haven't caught that one yet. Now, I wanted to make some more square cards, but today I'm making some easy scene cards. So we're going to make a scene on the front of our cards, but I'm also going to still be using that square shape that I used in the previous video. So I have my card base, and this is cut exactly how I cut it the first time, 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. And then, so if you open the whole cardstock, it's 4 1/4 by 8 1/2. Score it in the middle at 4 1/4 on the 8 1/2 inch side. I have 1 sheet of 6x6 paper. I'm just going to go ahead and use a section that's 4x4, and that's to make my card mat for the front of this card. And this was one of the sheets from the Outdoor Adventures paper pack that comes in this box of the month. So we'll cut that down. I'm also going to use the Adventure Awaits stamp set. I'm going to be using several stamps from this one to make my little scene on the front of my card. And then I brought some Distress Oxides and some alcohol markers for my card today. Let's cut down our 6x6 into a section that is 4x4. Cut at the 4 inches on the 6 inch mark twice. And so those are our scraps. So now I have my 4x4 mat. Next step is I'm going to go ahead and stamp out all of the images that will create my little scene. I am using Tuxedo Black Memento ink. This is a water-based ink that will work well with alcohol markers. So it'll allow me to color with the alcohol markers without smearing the black ink lines of the stamp. So I've already stamped a couple of images here. You see here, I'm just sort of speeding through and stamping a little scene that's like an outdoor camping site. We got our little campfire, and then little stars and a moon. I have my sentiment, and again, this was Tuxedo Black ink by Memento. So here's what we have so far, side by side comparison. That's the first step. So next, I'm going to go ahead and color with some alcohol markers, and I zoomed in just a bit just so you can kind of see. I am a little bit of a lazy colorer. I'm actually a little bit of a lazy crafter, to be honest, but I am just really quickly coloring with some markers. I do a tiny bit of ink blending or sort of shading with a couple different colors of the same color family of the markers. So you see here, I'll add a darker blue on some of the corners that I would envision to be a little bit darker. And then as we go closer to the fire, things get a little bit lighter. And so you'll see where the front of the tent is a lighter blue as I finish it out. So I'm just making super easy. I'm no coloring expert by any stretch of the means. And so I am just literally blending a few different colors of the markers here, and just kind of coloring some of the sections. And some sections I do a little bit more blending than in other sections. You'll see that. But I'm just really trying to get a little bit of color on this scene. I think the little scene itself is going to really make this card kind of pop, as far as just everything that will kind of, it'll come to life. And then we're going to be adding some Distress Oxides to ink blend on the outside to make our sky and our ground, and just really enhance the already sort of ombre effect on the background of this card mat. So here's where we're at so far. That was our next step. And now the last step is I'm going to go ahead and do some Distress Oxide ink blending. So again, I zoomed in a little bit. I started out with some green at the bottom, and I did start with a lighter color. And then I figured I would sort of move out the edges into a darker one. So that first one was called Mowed Lawn. It's sort of a lighter green. And then I did come in with a little bit of a darker green here, and this one is called Rustic Wilderness. Let's talk about the hopping giveaway. So it is a hashtag driven hop. You've got 2 hashtags, or you have a playlist that I'll link down below. You're going to want to make sure that you click on that hashtag then to get to all of our videos, like, comment, subscribe, and then the giveaway information will be in the description of our videos. The giveaway is going to run from August 10th to 16th. The prize is a $25 gift card to the Not Too Shabby shop, and the winner will be announced on Jamie's Not Too Shabby YouTube community feed. Those are the 2 colors that I use for the pink and the yellow. So again, you have your hashtags and also a playlist that I will link down in the description box below. And then make sure you come back to one of our videos, because in the description box, you're going to have that link for the giveaway itself that you can enter. So you do have to actually enter through a giveaway link. Again, that will be linked down in the description of my video, as well as all of the other videos for all the participants that are joining in on this hop, this design team hop, inspiration hop. So those are the final ones. Blueprint Sketch was that last color. So I just sort of finished out my blues. I'm going to go back and add a little bit more of the pink ink blending. And then you see here, I have pretty much finished my background. Now, the one thing that I am going to add are some splatters. Because this was water reactive ink for the oxide inks, the Distress Oxides, I'm just kind of splattering some water droplets from my water brush here, just so it can react. And it'll take a few seconds, but then you'll start to see where those little droplets will really, really start to sort of form and really come to life the more that they dry. I am going to glue this mat to the front of my card base. And that's basically my card. Now, the one thing that I do notice, because my ink is a little bit water reactive, I do lose a little bit, especially with the blending. So I'm bringing in the coordinating Memento pen in Tuxedo Black ink, just to kind of manually fill in a little bit of this. If you were to use some heat embossing, you could absolutely heat emboss the images as well as the sentiment, and it would not blend at all, and it would not fade. So that is one option you can do. I was trying to make this card as a little bit easier instead of having to involve the heat embossing, but that is absolutely something that you can do. And I am sure that somebody in the hop will likely do some heat embossing, or you'll see some at some point in the month. So that was our card. So we'll come in for a final recap up next. Okay, so to recap, we have the August box of the month from the Not Too Shabby Shop. It comes with 2 paper pads, 2 packs of ephemera, 3 stamp sets, and then Jamie does throw in some additional freebies. So today's project was some easy scene cards. And I love the water splatters because it looks like little stars in the night sky. So super cute. We just stamped out a scene, did some ink blending, colored with some alcohol markers as well, and then splattered with some ink. And you could also splatter with some paint, maybe like a silver paint to really make those stars shine. I just think these turned out super fun. They were just a quick and easy scene card. So again, these were some easy scene cards that we made using the box of the month from the Not Too Shabby Shop for the month of August. I do have my website affiliate link. I'll link it down in the description box below. It helps my channel grow at no extra cost to you. So again, here are the 2 hashtags. I have my previous project that I did using this box of the month, and I'll link it at the very end right now. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you got a little bit of inspiration. Make sure you check out everybody's video along the way through the hop for this hop and giveaway. I'm going to link both hashtags down in the description box below, as well as the playlist to get to everybody's video. Make sure you sign up for that giveaway, and happy crafting.